Hey everyone, today we are talking about the word shipwreck. A shipwreck is a noun that refers to the destruction of a ship, especially when it sinks or crashes, often due to a storm, accident, or collision. It's a tragic and dramatic event on the high seas. Some synonyms for shipwreck are wreck, disaster, and crash. The opposite of a shipwreck would be something like salvage, rescue, or recovery, where a ship is saved rather than destroyed. Let me give you a few examples to make it clear. The crew survived the shipwreck after their vessel collided with a rocky reef. The famous shipwreck of the Titanic remains a tragic chapter in maritime history. They discovered an ancient shipwreck on the ocean floor while scuba diving. The last sentence is, a powerful storm caused the shipwreck of several boats along the coastline. So that's the word shipwreck. It's an intense word that brings to mind images of lost ships and daring rescues. Hopefully you will never have to deal with one yourselves. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more word tips. See you next time.